Dan DeVallo got this XB Falcon twin turbo Coyote.
Done to the engine.
Rods, pistons,
So everything built.
yeah, it's built motor, cams, timing chains, everything's done. So just not sleeved yet, so we're sort of a little bit conservative with it, but it's a 5-year-old motor, so it's getting there. So one day it'll come out and get a birthday. Just keeps surprising us at the moment. But well, I'm just about to start racing it again. So once I get racing it, I'd like to, I want to run 8 with it. So it hasn't ran ran 940 on its first pass, so it was pretty lazy and haven't really set it up. So yeah, the kid's up from school and running 8.
So what do you think of it out here today?
It's loving life, mate. It's taking all the boost and it's doing something special. So
Who are you scared of?
I've been brought up to not be scared of anyone, but the Skyline.
Well, enjoy the rest of the day, mate.
Thanks, brother.